Here at the Bohemian Hunting Club, we believe in science. Good enough science, that is. And what we're going to show you might not be the best situation or best visualization of real science. It will give you kind of a good enough idea of the difference between a 4570 government a 4570 government Super X Winchester round versus a 4570 government barrel load plus P round. Thank you.
The 4570 Winchester Super X jacketed hollow point. If you watch my other 4570 videos, I always sit there and say, this gun doesn't kick that much. Well, if you watch one of those and then click back to this real quick, you're going to notice the difference. Whew, Lord. Damn it. Here we go. 4570. And a very 44 Magnum. Right. Third time's the charm.
Again, not the greatest example, but believe you me, that 4570 plus P barrel load will definitely leave a mark on the shoulder. As always, thanks for watching this extremely non-scientific video, which pretty much doesn't show anything. So, y'all have a nice day. Enjoy.